How to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can activate two WhatsApp accounts in one Android phone. So let's just get ahead with the process and find out how to do that. So first thing is to use two WhatsApp accounts on your Android phone. You can add a SIM account to your WhatsApp app. So you can do this if you have a second phone number or SIM card already on your device and if your device supports multi-SIM or eSIM. So all you need to do is open up your WhatsApp first and go ahead and click on the three dot at the top right corner, and from this menu select settings. After this, you need to go to the account option, the first one, and when you head over here, you'll be finding this option called add account. Go ahead and tap on it and go ahead and tap on add account. After that, agree and continue with the terms and conditions, and here all you need to do is enter the country code and your phone number in your format, your phone number, and then enter your name and add a profile photo if desired, and that is it. You can also switch the account after that is done by tapping on the three dots and selecting account and tapping on switch account after that. So that is it. That is how you activate two WhatsApp accounts in one Android device. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.